Hi guys, it's BellaGemaNails, and I just wanted to pop on here and do a quick video for the holidays. It is gift giving season, and it wouldn't be complete if I didn't do a BellaGemaNails giveaway. And so for this giveaway, I am going to be giving away these kawaii style Hello Kitty sandals that I customized. These are brand new, and I had designed them for a giveaway, and I thought what better time than now. As many of you already know, my father passed away, so I haven't been uploading because I've been dead in the water and uninspired. But nothing makes me happier than being able to give. And so here I am. I'm going to be giving away these slides. All I need you guys to do to enter is thumbs up the video and tell me something about yourself down below. Anything inspiring, anything you do to get you through the holidays if you're melancholy like I am. Anyway, just let me know where you live, how long you've been watching me, and anything about yourself, anything inspiring, anything you want me to know, and anything you want to share with our viewers. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for your support, and thank you for the recent influx of viewers. I've been getting an insane amount of views on my shoe DIYs, and thank you to every single person that has been sharing my videos. I'm very grateful this season. I plan to be back soon. I just have to find my mental space once again, and so I'm going to dedicate time to heal for a little bit, but I'm going to be back soon. I just need a little bit more time. So thank you for being patient with me, and I'll be back to see you soon. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye. Oh, before I forget, guys, these are a size 9. They are narrow, but they will fit at 8, at 8.5, and a 9. And so make sure that you are a true Hello Kitty lover. These are not for sale. If I wanted to sell them, I definitely would. These are for someone that really wants to have these, or maybe you can give them to someone who loves Hello Kitty. So make sure you keep that in mind.